Hello and welcome, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start today's topic. Our topic is today level 2, learn to earn cloud challenge, and learn to will start from today. That was level 2, and in the level 2 there is 8 labs. I already told in the last video, and and here internet is really slow. So where is level 2? Wait, I will see you level 2. First open this link. See, I can't see the video. That much slow internet connection is here.
Question. Would you
Okay.
build a website for
Okay, guys. So we will try to complete our labs very quick. So because we don't have much more time, we have only 3 days left. I mean 4 days left from today, and it is already 8 p.m. So far we have completed learn to earn security challenge level 1, and now after we will try to focus for the level 2. And there is one problem with one of my subscriber that his last lab premiser is not opening. So I suggest him to just refresh his browser and just restart the PC, and once disconnecting your internet and try to do the lab once again. Even if the problem, just talk to the team support. I will show you how to talk to the team support in the middle of the lab. Don't worry, just open the link, and if you get any types of problem whenever you do the lab, any lab, just talk to them. They will solve your problem here. See this help center email support. When you log in, you will also get a chat support, and you can directly talk to them online, just like friend, just like talking to me in the Facebook or anywhere. You can talk to them in the person directly, and they will solve your problem directly, and that's it. That is simple solution for your any problem. Okay. So apart from that, we have to focus for our, okay, that's the problem solved. And now we will focus how to complete this level 2. So level 2, I think pretty simple. There is only 8 lab, so we will complete it very soon. I think most of us, of my subscribers, have already completed level 2. Many lab, not all. So I will first sign in. So finally, I am logged in successfully. And one solution for my friend, he has got problem while facing. So suppose you are doing any one lab. Suppose this one lab, okay, and middle in the middle of your lab, you just started the lab. Okay, you click the start lab button, and the timer is running, and you get some error during that period. So don't quit the lab. Just click on this what icon on the help button. It is help button, and click on the chat support. And here just provide your name and your email ID, which you have used for this quick lab account, and type the problem, the message. I am getting the problem for this lab, particular lab. Give the link, everything, and they will start talking to you. Just describe every your problem. They will ask a screenshot of the problem. Just have it in the console cloud shell. Okay, just take the screenshot, take the snapshot, use this tool, take the snapshot and save it, and you can just upload in chat, and they will definitely solve your problem very few within few hour. Okay, so let's start our topic. So this is level 2 lab first of learn to earn cloud challenge. So let's start how to use a network policy on Google Cloud Kubernetes engine. So now let's click on the start tab and close it. Okay, it is taking a little bit time. Just now it is night time, I think, so that is maybe the reason. Okay, click next. You need to type the password. Type the password, and okay, no need to accept terms and condition for this lab. I don't know why it is on task this time. Okay, so but quick start of this lab. We know the quick start of this lab. Use incognito windows to run this lab. Okay, and that should be Chrome OS. You can also use Edge browser, that is also Chrome based browser. And okay, and always use the private windows. You continue windows. Never go with your personal browser. Okay, let's activate the Cloud Shell. Click on this icon. It will activate the Cloud Shell. Yeah, they had internet speed a little bit slower, so you see some of the process is really delay. Once it is activated, and it will take few moment. Yeah, they've already mentioned, but even it is some. Okay, just paste this the cloud authorization list to authorize all the command. That means to give the parent control to any of the command whenever you run. No need to give. Yeah, go ahead, do this permission. Okay, first of all we have to clone a demo. So to clone the demo, we need to copy this code, and it will clone from where? From GitHub repository. Okay, you might have used this git command, clone command for the repository to clone while working with some of the IDE during our DevFest program. There I have organizer for that DevFest, and more than 50 or 60 people have just donated. I mean, they have just participated in that repository. I have, might have got most of their delivery information. I just got 3 days earlier. I don't know due to this COVID situation when that delivery will arrive at my home. There is no any information about. Okay, now copy this code and paste it here and press Y. And wait. Okay, so this is done. Now this command and also this one. Make. Okay, this is installed. Data form installed successfully. So what should be the value? We have to type yes. Why yes? Press enter. Okay, how long it will take? This will take several minutes to deploy. Okay, so let's wait until this is done. I will keep waiting. It will take about 1 to 5 minutes at least. I know. As they also mentioned, it will take several minutes. So once it is done, I will come back. Okay, so finally after a few minutes, it is ready. Now we can move forward. So validation something. So what was the last code? I just forgot about the last code. Okay, leave it. I think this was the last code. Okay, now we'll proceed after this validation. Copy this code and paste it here. This delay due to because of internet connection, poor internet connection. I don't know any other reason for this delay. Okay, now we'll check the progress. See this, our lab setup is ready or not. Yeah, our lab setup is ready. Now we'll connect SSH to base. They have written there something like this. Okay, I have just pasted it, but it doesn't appear here. So this is nothing but poor internet connection. I think I need to refresh it. Come on, bro. Okay, see this after that once again I have just connected this internet And what happened to this? Okay, okay, I'll run this command once again. Press enter. Okay, good. Okay, now we'll install the hello server. Copy this and press enter, and it will install the server. Okay, so I've just got this out. Friend has called me. No problem. Okay, just run this code. Now let's check our ports. Okay, all ports are running. Let's check the progress. If everything is fine, we'll get the green check progress. Okay, see this? You got the green check progress. Nice. Now we'll confirm the default access of the hello web server. So how to do this? Once again, the connection is lost. What is this happening actually? In the night time, internet connection is always very poor. But at 12, everything's restored back. Okay, press Ctrl plus C to stop this. Also, sorry, I've just pushed twice. This is just because of the slower internet. Paste it once again, press enter, and you can press Ctrl plus C to stop. Yeah, they have mentioned, and it is super easy. Copy this, paste it, press enter. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. Ctrl plus C to stop this, and copy this one, paste it here, and copy this, creating the namespace version, and finally we will. Okay, so this is our root. Don't copy this one. Now copy this one, paste it here. Okay, press Ctrl plus C to stop, and finally copy it. Press enter, and check it. Deploy a second copy of the hello web server. Okay, we have deployed, but still it is not getting green checkbox. Just wait few seconds. Keep on checking. See this? Now what about the validation? Just copy this, paste it here. Okay, it's working. Stop it. Now tear down. How to tear down? First we have to exit from. First we have to exit. Okay, make tear down. Okay, tear down in 5 seconds. Tear down just destroying everything. See, yeah. Quicklab will take care of sorting down all the resources used by this lab. Here, what you need to do, clean up your. Oh. So that's it about this lab. This was just what I cannot explain. But it was super easy. Okay, see you in the next lab of level 2 for this. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to submit and give 5 star and submit, and this much only.